Alright guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. I hope by this moment you guys are tired of using VPN applications that are not created by your own hands. At this YouTube channel, Marius Tech, I educate creators. Now, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create your own VPN application. Your own. If I say your own, you are going to be owning each and everything. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. I emphasize subscribing and I emphasize liking the video because YouTube is not easy, guys. Managing a YouTube channel isn't the easiest stuff. For sure, I get so many disappointments. So I just request you guys to like my video and then subscribe. I just request, please like my video, please subscribe, then you continue. Then this is the application I'm talking about. I'm connected to my own VPN application and I rarely use, let me show you, I rarely use those VPN applications. I have almost 8 VPN applications in my device, but I don't connect to them because I don't know whether they are secure, but I connect to mine. Now, how did I create my own VPN application? That is the question. You guys, this is a note. This video is for information, research, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow the local laws, community guidelines, and internet service providers' terms and conditions. Now, the videos, it has officially started. How did I create this VPN application? And which protocol does it use? I'm going to answer the question number 2 first. This VPN application uses UDP protocol, TCP protocol. It uses the SNI and the custom SSLs, those protocols. It can also use the ICMPT protocol, or is it that? It uses those two, but basically the UDP and the TCP protocols. Now let's gather here. How did I create it? You come right here where you have the plus button. Let me first direct my viewers, because this is a step-by-step guide. Open your phone settings, and once you are in your phone settings, let me go to where we have wireless and connections. But due to differences in the devices, you can come right here where you search for Rome and then type in VPN and search for a VPN settings in your Android device. This tutorial, I'm educating viewers on how to create an Android VPN. You're going to come where you have wireless and that one, and networks. Then you're going to choose VPN. Then in the VPN, let me first disconnect mine. VPN, you're going to come where we have a plus button. I request you guys to subscribe and like my video. Now, I'm going to come and I type in the name. This is the most interesting thing. You can type in your name, your name of any preference. For example, I can type in Marius Tech. Marius Tech 1 tap VPN. One tap VPN, because it in one tap it connects and there is no traffic on your own VPN application. That is the most interesting thing. You're going to come where you have VPN type, and then in a VPN type you're going to come and choose the L2TP/IPsec PSK, that one. And then after, now this is the reason why I've created this video, or I have uploaded this video. That one, the server address. That is the most important thing in this video. So to get the server address, you're going to go to any form of browser, but I do recommend you guys keep using Google Chrome because it is the most safest browser. in this generation, because this generation is full of hackers and internet wizards that may try to penetrate or steal your data. So keep up with the security updates. So you're going to choose Google Chrome, and you're going to be using Google Chrome because it's the safest browser. Once you choose Google Chrome, you go where you search from and then type in VPN get. Let me retype in. This is a step-by-step guide. There's no reason why I rush. VPNget.net, that one. .net, then search. Now that is the website. You can see that those guys that create VPN applications, that for example Thunder VPN, Express VPN, NordVPN, those VPN applications usually even pay for money for premium, like premium servers. Those VPN applications, they connect to this one. They come and they pick their IP addresses from this website, and then they connect you to this website at a paid cost. Now you guys, you are going to come. Let me show you the connect let me show you the connections, and you see that when you have connected today, you have those connections. These are the connections just now today. Over 21 billions have connected and you are connected to this website, and this is the data just now. Over TBs over 90 million TBs have just been crushed by this moment. But those VPN applications, they connect to this site. That is the most interesting thing. Now, it being that I teach creators the HTTP custom VPNs, the H8 VPNs, they connect to this site, and then they start. These guys are wise. Let us come right here. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to be explaining. I'm going to take some time to explain, because if I don't explain, you would make a mistake. Now let me try to zoom in to the SSL VPN, this one, Windows or comfortable. Now, if you want a UDP VPN, make sure that the protocol you're choosing supports UDP. If you want TCP, make sure that the one you are choosing supports TCP, and if you want SSL, make sure that the one you are choosing supports SSL. Now let me try to, those who are watching my videos, hope you know what a ping and a latency is. Look at this ping, look at this ping, look at this ping, look at this ping, look at this ping. That is a ping or latency. Now a ping indicates an internet speed, but it can be understood by those advanced tech guys only. But I won't stress you guys with the much tech words. I'm going to just summarize for you that smaller ping indicates a faster connection, and large or higher ping indicates a slower connection. That is the only logic behind ping or latency. Now, you have a ping of 18 ms, you have a ping of 9 ms, 15 ms. That means a ping of 9 ms supports a faster connection in this case. Now choose a ping of choose wisely, and even you can first even observe the OpenVPN stuffs. Sorry. And you can also observe the score, but that is the only thing to observe most. And then you can also have the physical country or the server. Which server are you going to be connected to? You're going to be connected to a Japanese server. It is not on Japanese server present. We also have a Thailand server, Russia Federation. We also have the United States down there, Korea Republic, and other forms of servers. But basically, let us abide by, and then we connect to a server from Japan. Now observe the ping, then connect. I'm going to choose the second server, this one. Reason being that it has a smaller ping, or it has let me call it smaller, not lower. Then I'm going to copy this one, this. Hope you are observing what I'm copying. And then copy. After copying, I'm going to come where I have the server address, and then I paste. After pasting, this is now the final setup procedure. Don't set that. Now let us come to the DNS and the forwarding route. Now let me try to explain what a DNS is. A DNS, it is like a phone book of the internet. I won't use much tech words to confuse my viewers, because here on my viewers I have those viewers who hate ICT but want to connect to our ICT tools. You guys, we must not hate our ICT. So a DNS, we have two forms of DNS. We can have a Google DNS or Google public DNS. You can have a Cloudflare. Also DNS, but which DNS is faster? Google DNS is normally 8 to 8 to 8 to 8 to 8 and 8 to 8 to 4, then to 4. That is the Google public DNS. Google public DNS, and we also have the Cloudflare, but I don't recommend to use the Cloudflare because the Cloudflare cannot. Normally, Google and the Cloudflare, Google is the best DNS because it provides a stable. It doesn't provide a faster. It stabilizes connections. That is the only thing Google public DNS does. And once done, but you can leave it as 8 to 8. If you don't set it, it will connect to the Google public DNS to provide you with a stable connection. And if you set it, you can select your Cloudflare, but I don't recommend it. Now, the heapsec key, this one. What are you going to put there? You can pause the video and guess, and after let me see those members who are correct. Now I'm going to use VPN in small letters. Type the word VPN in small letter. Then after, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe. I just request on my knees. I don't command anyone. It even takes only 1 MB of data to subscribe, not even an MB. That is the only way you can pay me, because I'm not yet monetized by YouTube. But if you like my video, it will move and many viewers will view it, then YouTube will monetize my channel. That is the only way you can pay me. Now after putting that, we're going to come right here where you have save. Then after saving, you're going to come at this VPN application you have just created. Then it will ask you for the username and the passcode. Now you can pause the video also and try to guess what is your username and what is your passcode. Alright, if you are back now, let us continue. First, enable that typing to save your account information. Now your username will be VPN in small letters, and your passcode will be VPN in small letters. And then after that, this is the most hardest thing in this video. Just to connect, it is the most hardest. And if you try to press the connect button and you succeed, you are wiser. Now look right here. Just wait for it to establish a connection. Finally connected. Clap for me, subscribe, and then let us meet in the next video. I sign out. You can also try to check the internet speed and see. It provides a faster connection. Try to check the internet speed. you will see what I say, that is, you're trying to check our internet speed. Remember that I won't waste much time. I just request you to subscribe, share this video with your friend. I sign out. I'm on Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi, maybe Wi-Fi is slow, and I'm far from the Wi-Fi. That is the reason why I'm experiencing that. So I sign out.